Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about something that might feel like a big decision: deleting your Instagram account. Whether you want a break from social media or just want to completely step away, I'm going to show you how to delete your Instagram account in just a few easy steps. So let's get started. First of all, find the Instagram app on your home screen. Now open it. Once you are in the app, now click onto the profile icon. Here you can find the horizontal three lines. Now tap on it. Now search for the option deactivation or deletion. You can either scroll down or search it on the search bar. It is easy to search. Now tap delete. Here you can find the deactivation or deletion option. Simply select it. In few seconds the Instagram app will take you here. Now choose the account that you want to delete. Now here you can find the option of delete account. Simply select it and tap on to continue. And then you have deleted your Instagram account successfully. And that's it. That's how you delete your Instagram account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.